Hi friends, welcome to Create Fun channel. We'll continue with the questions. Here the 11th question here is sin square alpha by 1 plus cot square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha is equals to. Here we'll go according to substitution method. We'll go according to the options. Usually the options will be 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Whenever you see like that and whenever there is trigonometric ratios in the question, please go to substitution method. Okay, here I'll take the value according to the trigonometric ratios table. These are all values we know, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here why I am taking 45 because in denominator cot and tan is there and tan 45 value is 1. The calculation will be easy. So we'll do the problem. See, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square, nothing but 1 by 2. Then divided by 1 cot square, like cot 45 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus tan 45 is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 2. 2 square is nothing but 4 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, this 2 will come down. So, it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. This is equals to, see here, denominator are same. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Half plus half is 1. So, 1 is the answer. I'll do quick revision. This is the question. Here alpha value I took as 45 because in the denominator tan is there. Tan and cot is there. Tan 45 value is 1. Calculation will be easy. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1. That is 2. Tan 45 is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 2 square, that is 4. Plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but root 2 root 2 get cancelled. Root 2 and square get cancelled. So it is 1 by 2. What I did here, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus half. 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are plus half. Half plus half is 1. This is the answer. We'll move to next question. Here next question is 1 minus sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x divided by sin x minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. Here also we'll go substitution method. What I'll do, I'll take here x value as 90 degree. Why I'll take x value as 90 degree? Because cos 90 is 0. X value as 90 degree. When I take x value as 90 degree and when I substitute in the question, that is 1 minus sin square x, that is sin 90 is 1 and 1 plus 0, that is 1. Next plus 1 plus cos x, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. Next minus 1 divided by 1 minus 0, that is 1. So the value will be 0. These all will get cancelled. So it will be 0. So in the options we should substitute x value as 90 degree. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, cosecant 90 is 1, secant 90 is nothing but undefined, not defined. So the answer is cos x. Answer is cos x. Just I'll do quick revision. This is the question. Substitution method I am doing. X value I am taking 90 because cos 90 is 0 and easy for calculation. Make sure whatever value you will take, it should not come infinity, that's all. Here when I take 90, no issue. So just I substituted in this 1 minus 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus cos x. Cos 90 is 0, sin x is 1. minus sin 90 is 1, 1 minus cos 90 is 0. So the value will come like this, 1 minus 1 plus 1. So the value is 0. So when you substitute in the options, x value is 90, sin 90 is 1, so this is not the option. Cos 90 is 0, this is correct answer. And when you go to cosecant x 90 is also 1, and secant x 90 is nothing but not defined. See here, it is not defined. Okay, yeah, so the answer is cos x. It's easy, right? Yeah. Another method also I'll show you. Like here, what I'll do, first step I'll write 1 minus sin square x. I'll write down as 1 minus cos square x. I wrote according to the formula sin square x plus cos square is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. Why I wrote 1 minus cos x? Because in the numerator this 1 plus cos x is there, so that I can cancel it. Then plus, see here, 1 plus cos x is there, numerator divided by sin x. What I'll do, I'll multiply and divide with 1 minus cos x, because so that I'll get cancellation, so that I can cancel it. Okay, like this I'll write down. And one more question is there, that is minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. This is the first step. Next, what I'll write down, 1 minus, see it is in the form of a square minus b square, so I'll write down 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, yeah, plus, see this is a plus b into a minus b. It will be 1 square minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is nothing but sin square x. I am writing this step directly. If you want, you can add one more step. See here, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. A square is nothing but 1 square minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is nothing but sin square x. Sin square x divided by sin x into 1 minus cos x. Here minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. Till here it's hope so it is clear. Next here, what I'll do, 1 minus, see here, this and this get cancelled, this value 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x get cancelled. Here 1 sin x and 1 sin x will get cancelled. Remaining will be 1 sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. This is plus and this is minus. So remaining part will get cancelled, and the only part remaining here is, what is remaining? 1 minus 1. 1 minus of 1 minus cos x is remaining. 1 minus of cos x is remaining. What I will do, this is equals to 1 minus of minus 1 minus into minus plus cos x. This will be 0. The answer is cos x. So simple it is. I'll do quick revision. This is the question. 1 minus sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x divided by sin x minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. First I showed you substitution method. Second I am showing you the another method. You can do this also. What I did, I wrote 1 as it is minus sin square x I wrote as 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x I wrote as it is divided by sin x into, I multiplied by 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x. Why I did this? Because of the cancellation. So minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. Here 1 minus, this can be written as a, it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b by 1 plus cos x plus, here it is, see here, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. This I can write down as a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square x. I wrote sin square x directly divided by sin x into 1 minus cos x. Sin x get cancelled, and one more sin x divided by 1 minus cos x, and minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. These two get cancelled. Here it is plus and here it is minus. Here 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x get cancelled. Remaining part is 1 minus 1 into 1 minus cos x. 1 minus of 1 minus into minus plus cos x. So this will become 0. The remaining value is cos x. So the answer is cos x. We'll move to next question. Here the question is sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equals to 3. We have to find out cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equals to. So simple it is. See, according to the trigonometric ratios table, sin 90 value is 1. So here I'll take theta 1 value, theta 1 is equals to theta 2 is equals to theta 3 is equals to 90 degree. This is substitution method. In the options the values are 0, 1 like that. So when I substitute here cos 90 is 0, so the value will be cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3, cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equals to 0. 0 is the answer. So simple it is. Sin 90 value is 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. Cos 90 value is 0, so theta 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equals to 0. This is the answer. We'll move to the next question. We'll move to next question. 8 into sin square x plus 3 into cos square x is equals to 5. They are asking to find the value of cot x. So simple it is. First we'll write down 8 sin square x as it is plus cos square x, what I'll write down, 3 into 1 minus of sin square x is equals to 5. Okay, now 8 into sin square x plus 3 1 the 3 minus 3 into sin square x is equals to 5. So simple it is. See, 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 sin square x is equals to 5. Here it is 5. 3 will come this side. So 5 minus 3. This is equals to sin square x is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 divided by 5. This 5 will come down. So we got the value as sin square x is equals to 2 by 5. We'll find the value of cos square x. Cos square x is equals to 1 minus of sin square x. So what is the value? 1 minus of 2 by 5. So it will become, this is 5. 5 minus of 2. So it will be 3 by 5. This is cos square x value. So what I'll write down? Cot x. They are asking cot x. Cot x is equals to, see, this is cos square x, and when it is cos x value will be, cos x is equals to plus or minus square root of 3 by 5. In the same way, here sin x is equals to how much? Sin x is equals to 2 by 5 plus or minus square root of. Okay, so I'll substitute here the values. Cos x, first will come cos x, so I'll write down here, this is plus or minus, then here divided by sin x, right? So this value will become into what is the sin x value? 2 by root 5 now. So root 5 will come up and root 2 will come down. This will get cancelled. So the final answer will be plus or minus 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2. I'll do quick review. See here, the question here is 8 sin square x plus 3 cos square x is equals to 5. They are asking to find the value of cot x. 8 sin square x I wrote as it is, plus 3 into cos square x I wrote 1 minus sin square x is equals to 5. 8 sin square x plus 3 1 are 3 minus 3 into sin square x is equals to 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 sin square x is equals to 5 minus 3. This 3 will come right hand side. that is 5 minus 3 is 2, and this multiplication will come down, that has a denominator, that is 5. Sin square x is equals to 2 by 5. Sin x is equals to square root of 2 by 5. Cos square x, now we'll find out cos x value. Why we need it? Because cot x formula is cos x by sin x. Cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x. In sin x place I wrote 2 by 5, and 5 minus 2, that is 3 by 5. Cos x value is plus or minus square root of 3 by 5. That's all. Cot x is equals to cos x value. Just for cancellation I wrote separately root 3 by root 5, and sin x divided by, actually the value will be divided by root 2 by 5. When it comes, when we take multiplication, denominator will become numerator, so that is root 5 divided by root 2. Root 5 and root 5 it will get cancelled. The answer is plus or minus square root of 3 by 2 cot x value. Hope so. We'll move to next question. If sin x plus cos x is equals to 2, then sin power 8x plus cosecant power 8x is equals to how much? So simple it is. According to trigonometric ratios table, sin 90 value is 1, cosecant 90 value is also 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 1 power 8x is 1, is nothing but is also 1. 1 power 8. Here also 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So sin power 8x plus cosecant 8x is equals to 2, because this value is 1, sin 90 is 1, cosecant 90 is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the answer. So simple. Just according to trigonometric ratios table, I took the value as 90, x value as 90, sin 90 is 1, cosecant value 90 is also 1. We'll see the next question. Tan square theta plus secant theta is equals to 5. They are asking to find the value of secant theta. Secant theta is equals to question mark. Okay. Very simple. We know the basic formula, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. From this I can write down secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Just I made one as when I took 1 as 1 to the left hand side and tan square theta to the right hand side. Based on this formula, we'll substitute here. In the place of tan square theta, I'll write down secant square theta minus 1 plus secant theta is equals to 5. Next step, secant square theta minus 1 plus secant theta minus 5. I took 5 to the left hand side. This is equals to 0. This is in the formation. So what we can write down, secant square theta plus secant theta minus 6 is equals to 0. Now we'll find the secant theta value. What I'll do, secant square theta plus secant theta can be written as 3 into secant theta minus 2 into secant theta minus 6 is equals to 0. What I'll do here, in the first thing I'll take secant theta as common, so the value will be secant theta plus 3. Next, in the next one I'll take minus 2 as common, so secant theta minus into plus minus, so 2 3s. This is equals to 0. Here minus 6 is there. Correct. Yeah, correct only. Is equals to 0. So this will be secant theta minus of 2 into secant theta plus 3 is equals to 0. So the secant theta value will be, secant theta is equals to plus 2 or comma minus 3. This is the value. In the option only plus 2 is there, minus 3 they didn't give. So according to the option, the secant theta value is 2. I didn't give options here. In the options they mentioned, they gave the value 2, so the answer will be 2. Just I'll do quick revision. This is the question. Tan square theta plus secant theta is equals to 5. They are asking to find the value of secant theta. We know the basic formula, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Just I substituted in the place of tan square theta. What I wrote as secant square theta minus 1. Minus 1 secant square theta minus 1 plus secant theta minus. Just I took the 5 to the left hand side, then it will become minus 5 is equals to 0. Secant square theta plus secant theta minus 6 is equals to 0. Here then it is like it is equation, it is in the form of equation. Then I'll write secant square theta plus secant theta can be written as 3 secant theta minus 2 secant theta. Minus 6 is equals to 0. Next step, I took secant theta as the common, so it will be secant theta plus 3, and then next I took minus 2 as common, so it will be secant theta plus 3. Minus into plus is minus, is equals to 0. So secant theta minus 2 into secant theta plus 3 is equals to 0. So secant value will be 2 or minus 3. In the option, minus 3 value is not there, only 2 is there, so the value will be 2 according to the option. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great time.